What if I told you that GM buried some of their most reliable engines, not because they were bad, but because they were too good? Engines that cost under $2,000 and outlast motors 10 times more expensive. The one at the top of this list has 600,000 miles on the original block. No rebuild, nothing replaced. Today on SUVSQUAD, we're exposing the engines that dealers don't want you to know about. Hidden gems that save people thousands, while everyone else keeps paying for trucks with unnecessary problems. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which engines to hunt for, how to avoid money pits, and how to get max value out of your next GM truck or SUV. Engine number 3, the overlooked 4.3 Vortec V6. Let's start with the 4.3 Vortec V6. Most people scroll past these trucks on Marketplace thinking a V6 is weak and underpowered. Meanwhile, they compete over 5.3-liter trucks with spun bearings, AFM issues, and lifter failures, paying $15,000 to $20,000 for vehicles that already need major engine work before 150,000 miles. The truth is, the 4.3 Vortec shares its DNA with the Small Block Chevy, one of the most proven engine architectures in automotive history. This design has been refined since 1955, tested in every condition and abuse imaginable. GM essentially took the 350 small block, removed 2 cylinders, and created a motor that is bulletproof. The 4.3 doesn't have active fuel management, so there's no risk of lifter failure. It doesn't have direct injection, so carbon buildup is a non-issue. Port injection keeps the valves clean without expensive maintenance, and the timing chain is built to last the life of the truck. This is a simple, naturally aspirated pushrod motor that refuses to die. Dealers don't push these trucks because there's nothing to fix. There are no expensive AFM delete kits, no lifter replacements every 60,000 miles, and no carbon cleaning services. The 4.3 just works, quietly saving people thousands. How to buy a 4.3 Vortec that lasts? If you're looking for a 4.3 Vortec, target 2014 to 2019. Silverado and Sierra 1500s. These trucks got the updated 4.3 with variable valve timing, giving more power while maintaining reliability. Around 285 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of torque. Look for the RPO code LV3, usually on the glove box sticker or driver's door jamb. So trucks with towing packages are a bonus because owners who tow usually maintain their vehicles properly. High mileage is not an issue with these engines. A 4.3 with 180,000 miles that's been maintained will outlast a 5.3 with 50,000 miles that's been abused. Check the transmission, usually the 6L80 or 8L90 automatic. A friend of mine, who runs a landscaping business, bought a 2016 Sierra with the 4.3 for $6,800 with 140,000 miles. Today, the truck has 230,000 miles. He's only spent around $800, including tires. Meanwhile, a neighbor bought a nicer 5.3 Silverado for $19,000 and now faces a $4,000 lifter repair. The economics are clear. A clean 4.3 Sierra costs $6,000 to $9,000, while a comparable 5.3 costs $12,000 to $18,000. Tomorrow, you're saving $5,000 to $10,000 up front on an engine that lasts longer and costs less to maintain. If you're already learning value bombs about GM engines, smash that like button, subscribe to SUVSQUAD, and hit the bell icon. You don't want to miss the next engine on this list, the one that could save you tens of thousands in repairs and headaches. Engine number 2, the 8.1 Big Block. The 8.1 Vortec Big Block is the next engine, often ignored and undervalued. Dealers pretend it doesn't exist, forums trash it, and YouTubers ignore it. But it is one of GM's most overbuilt engines. I watched a guy sell his 8.1 for $3,000 because nobody wants big blocks anymore. That engine now powers a 2001 Suburban with over 300,000 miles and tows a 10,000-pound camper across the country without issue. People avoid the 8.1 thinking it's a gas guzzler, outdated or impossible to maintain. In reality, it is GM's last true big block, the final evolution of a design that began in 1958. It has a 496 cubic inch cast iron bottom end, a forged steel crankshaft, and powdered metal connecting rods that can handle over 700 horsepower without braking. Many have supercharged these engines to 600 to 800 horsepower on the stock bottom end. GM built this engine for towing, offering a 100,000-mile towing warranty from the factory. Fuel economy is low, 10 to 14 miles per gallon depending on driving style. But consider the numbers. A new 2024 Silverado HD costs $55,000 to $65,000. A clean 2005 8.1 equipped HD truck costs $8,000 to $15,000. You'd have to drive over 500,000 miles before fuel savings would even approach the price difference, and the 8.1 will handle that mileage easily. When shopping for an 8.1, one or target 2001 to 2006, Silverado or Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD trucks, along with Suburbans and Yukons from the same era, focusing on 2500 versions. Inspect coolant carefully because the iron block and aluminum heads react badly to neglect. Listen for exhaust manifold leaks on a cold start. The Allison 1000 transmission paired with the 8.1 is the ultimate towing combination. Check oil level and condition. Low or black burnt oil is a red flag. A real-life example. Frank, a retired corporate guy, bought a 2004 Suburban 8.1 with 90,000 miles for $11,000. Over 6 years, he's added 160,000 miles across deserts, mountains, and Canadian winters. His only repair was a water pump at 220,000 miles, costing $150. Last month, the truck rolled past 250,000 miles, still towing flawlessly. On average, prices for 8.1 trucks today are $8,000 to $15,000, compared to $55,000 to $70,000 for comparable new HD trucks. That's a savings of $40,000 to $55,000 for a truck that can easily last 300,000 to 500,000 miles. GM discontinued the 8.1 because it was too reliable. People didn't return for replacements, so the engine was buried. Engine number 1, the Gen 3 Iron Block 5.3. The final engine is the one I've been waiting to talk about, the Gen 3 Iron Block 5.3, built from 1999 to 2007. This is the engine that achieved 600,000 miles on the original block with no rebuild. What makes it exceptional is its simplicity and durability. Iron block construction, no AFM, no direct injection, no high-pressure fuel pumps, a port-injected V8 that runs on regular gas, and it doesn't mind being a little late on oil changes. 10 years ago, I learned the hard way. I bought a 2015 Silverado with the aluminum 5.3 AFM engine. At 92,000 miles, the lifters collapsed, costing $4,800 to fix. I sold it and bought a 2003 Sierra with the LM7 Iron Block, 160,000 miles for $3,200. Today, it has 287,000 miles with the original engine, never rebuilt. Right now, everyone wants the newer 2014 plus 5.3 RS. Meanwhile, the 1999 to 2007 trucks sit on lots and marketplace listings ignored. The newer trucks face lifter failures at 80,000 miles, oil consumption problems, and timing chain issues. The trucks nobody wants are outlasting the trucks everyone is fighting over. And what makes the Gen 3 Iron Block special is that all 8 cylinders run all the time, eliminating AFM failures. The Iron Block can handle heat and abuse that would warp an aluminum block. Dealers hate these trucks because there's nothing to upsell. A well-maintained Gen 3 Iron Block 5.3 will last 300,000 to 500,000 miles with nothing but oil changes, spark plugs, and maybe a water pump. If you're shopping for one, target 1999 to 2007 Silverados, Sierras, Tahoes, Yukons, Suburbans, and Avalanches. Check RPO codes LM7 for trucks and LM4 for SUVs. Avoid L59 flex fuel versions. Pull the oil cap while running. Blowy smoke is a red flag. Check for oil leaks around rear main seals and valve covers. Inspect the 4L60 transmission, as a rebuild could cost $1,500 to $2,500. Rust is the real killer. Check rocker panels, decab corners, and brake lines. Finally, drive it hard. A healthy LM7 will pull smoothly all the way to Redline. A customer, Ray, drove a 2002 Silverado 1,500 every day for over 20 years in Minnesota winters, accumulating 612,000 miles on the original engine. Over that time, the only replacements were a water pump at 310,000 miles for $50, an intake manifold gasket at 420,000 miles for $150, and spark plugs every 100,000 miles for $60. That's it. The engine never had a rebuild. His secret? Oil changes every 5,000 miles in regular gas. Currently, a clean Gen 3 iron block 5.3 costs $4,000 to $8,000, while a 2018 to 2022 5.3 with AFM costs $22,000 to $35,000. That's a savings of $15,000 to $30,000. On an engine that already proves it can outlast the new ones by 300,000 miles or more. GM wants you to forget this engine because if everyone knew, they would panic. Dealerships would lose sales, service bays would empty, and the business model would break. Engine number 3, the 4.3 Vortec, is overlooked because it's a V6, but it's a small block Chevy in disguise. Reliable, cheap, and dealers hate it because there's nothing to fix. Engine number 2, the 8.1 big block, is GM's last true workhorse. It's 40 to 50 grand cheaper than a new HD truck and can tow anything until the frame rusts out. Engine number 1, the Gen 3 Iron Block 5.3, is a 600,000 mile no rebuild legend. This is the engine GM wants you to forget. Go on Marketplace right now. You'll see these trucks sitting there, ignored and underpriced, waiting for someone who knows what they're looking at. That someone is now you. If you want to know which GMC engines to avoid, watch our video on the 3 worst and 4 best GMC engines you can buy. If you want to make your engine last longer, check out hidden GMC features. You'll regret not knowing sooner. Subscribe to SUVSQUAD, hit the bell, and leave a comment with your engine stories. We're exposing the truth one truck at a time.